Hi there, I'm Jez and I've got something fantastic to let you in on. I'm going to let you know about the best free VPNs for Fire Stick that does really work. Amazing, huh? Okay, now the first thing you're going to ask me, I know, is what is a VPN? Well, a VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it is the best way to get access to any blocked content that you come across, because the VPN hides your IP address and also your location as well. Now, whenever you use a VPN, the VPN does something quite clever. It makes it seem as if the device that you're using is actually located in the same geographical location as the place that you're downloading from. That means, of course, that you can download any content that's available in that country, and you'd be completely safe from any detection. Now, of course, that's not all. It's also very secure. So, for example, you can protect your valuable personal or business information, your banking information. It will be completely safe from anyone trying to hack your personal information. And that includes, of course, Wi-Fi. Now, of course, the interesting features you need to bear in mind is native app availability, global server coverage, of course. You want good connection speeds and security. The top three that I would recommend are ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and last but not least, Surfshark. And what I'll do, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you guys to check out yourselves. Okay, let's start with our number one, ExpressVPN. Now, ExpressVPN has over 3,000 VPN servers, all dotted around the world in 94 countries. So global coverage opens up a lot of stuff for you to download, stuff you don't normally get access to. So that's great. Another brilliant thing about ExpressVPN is that it offers a native app for nearly all Amazon Fire TV devices. And that is great. It means it's easy to use and it's got reliable connectivity. Oh, and one other thing, ExpressVPN's connection speeds are some of the fastest you'll ever find, and it can easily keep up with 1080, 4K HDR streaming that the Fire Stick can actually give you. Oh yes, and another thing, it is very, very safe to use. In fact, it's got military-grade encryption that protects your connection, so your activity online will be completely undetected and you're completely secure. And that's great. And it not only protects your Amazon Fire TV stick, but it also protects other devices that you have, and you can get native apps for nearly every other device platform. Oh, and if you're a bit of a whiz kid with Bitcoin, yep, you can pay your subscription with Bitcoin as well. And that makes your presence online even more secret. Now, the next one is CyberGhost. Now, CyberGhost doesn't cover as many servers as ExpressVPN, but there's still plenty out there, and it packs plenty of unblocking power. And CyberGhost also has military-grade encryption, so your online activities will never be detected and you can keep your anonymity. And that is fab. And again, you can use Bitcoin if you wanted to. Plus, you can use up to 7 devices using the same login. This is great for first-time users. It's very, very simple to use, very user-friendly, and it provides a 45-day no-risk money-back guarantee. So there we are. That's fab. So last but by no means least, we've got Surfshark. Now, Surfshark has made our list because it also has native Amazon Fire TV stick support. And also Surfshark can support unlimited simultaneous connections, which is fantastic. And that's great. It means your family or your business can stay protected. Now, Surfshark has a global server count of over 1,700 servers located in 60+ countries. Now, that's not the most impressive, but it is twice what it was last year, so things are getting better. And a great thing about Surfshark, it can hide your VPN usage by its optional camouflage feature, and has what they call a multi-hop server mode, which helps protect your anonymity while online. And it does that by routing your internet usage through 2 VPN servers. And just a reminder, guys, I'll leave a link down in the description below for our 3 VPNs, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and Surfshark. So there we are, guys. Those are our 3 VPNs that you can use with your Fire Stick. And just to remind you, you can leave a comment, you can like, and you can subscribe. Fabulous. And I'll see you all next time.